Explain Everything is a really nice tool to have in your teaching arsenal. It's $2.99 from the app. This allows you to annotate, animate, create narrations, presentations, and explanations for your students or other staff members to be able to get. It's an interactive whiteboard. You can use it within your classroom, record exactly what you're doing digitally, and then house that out online the best way. Bringing in a new project, you will have several different ways to bring in existing things, either through Evernote, Dropbox, Photos. You can also just create a blank photo, a blank project. Export them as well in different formats into different locations. The main screen looks like this, and along you have some different features where you can add your slides. Then there's the slide sorter, and if you look down at the bottom of your screen, you'll see different areas where you can move back and forth between the different slides that you have added. It tells you what slide you're on, how many you've added. Moving down along the toolbar, you have the different drawing options. This is your pen option, and you have multiple pen colors, thicknesses, pen tips. There's also a built-in laser pointer feature. This is nice if you're using your iPad and you're displaying it up on a projector. You can point things out on the screen using the laser pointer without making any annotations. Next we have the shapes and lines, so you can change the colors, change the shapes, add in arrow things. You can also add in different texts, and again change the size, color, font of. You can import different images, and these images might come from your camera roll. You can take it right off of the camera, or if there's a picture on Dropbox, Evernote, or even your web browser. It's very easy to write into your video. Your delete button is right down here. And what you're going to have for your delete button is when you click on, you're going to hold down on the delete button, and when you need to delete that item, you'll see the little box come up. Then below it we have the front to back. This is where you can layer different things depending on how you want your images arranged. You have your undo button, and then this is how you've got the little magnifying glass where you can zoom in on your screen, magnify that up. Then you can also come down here and hide your toolbar along the side. When we move along the bottom here, this is our record feature. So actually the video that you're seeing right now is actually recorded in Explain Everything. There are 17 different slides actually that have been preloaded, and so as this is being recorded, the slides are changing. Along to the far right then, we have different ways that you can export just an image. So if you want to, you can take a screen capture of whatever it is you want to display, and you can export this or send it out through email, Dropbox, Evernote, different formats there. Use the recording feature, turn it into a movie, and you'll see that this can be exported to YouTube, through email, Dropbox, Evernote, either as a movie or as a project, and so it'd be loaded up as a project and Explain Everything if you did that. And then you can save the project. If you save the project, which is a nice thing to do just to make sure you have it, it saves right to your iPad, and you can modify it later. Then in the bottom corner there we have the home, and the home feature. The home button takes you back to your beginning slides there and all you've saved. If you want to learn more about Explain Everything, their website, explaineverything.com, also has a YouTube video that shows you some of the different features and how it can be used within your own classroom.